Yo, I know see a Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging plan.
Viewers and subscribers, family sub, Open Wall doing great. Open Wall doing well, so you know what they do? So, the right side of Yallahs spun, you know. Spun with the viewers, so you know the breeze a blow. Have a lot of breeze a blow, and the next thing again, my throat is not 100, so you know just hopefully now hear me loud and clear. You understand, viewers? Yeah, man, there's a lot of dust with from the other day, you know, kind of give me a little sore throat, like, you understand what? Working on it. Okay, my viewers, anyway, welcome back to the channel, my viewers. Yes, welcome back. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. And the continent. Today we are out at Yallahs, man. Out at Yallahs, fan side. Yeah, we are out here for the second paving. And this one, manners with general, manners. This one is not Alcar, this one is not Cement, this one is Rite. So this is first time vlogging Rite second layer. Vlog them already on the channel, but we mean them second layer, the rear coat. This is the first time vlogging it. So I want just stick and stay, because you know we are going through with details and we're going to see what Rite have to offer. Which we vlog them already and they have done good work, so they set down to change, but you know it, don't know it already. So stick and stay, viewers, as we take on along right through this work in progress. First of all, let's just give it up. Well, far as no pressure, don't touch this asset, viewers. Roll away one call it. Don't roll on. And take a look at the joining. So as you know, the election just done a couple days ago. So I guess everybody normally back to work now. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, as I say, stick and stay now. Do they do? If you're new, subscribe. Do not forget to like up the video, viewers. How much you charge? We just walk around and we just start taking pictures. How much you charge, mister? How much you charge, mister? For free? Okay, alright. Alright. When you see you next time, you see me? I want you next time. I guess. There's never a time that you see work go on the road and some motorists that keep up some animosity. Always. So it's like you just look forward for that. Yeah, it's like you just look forward for that. Yes, super. Big up yourself, you know, boss. So what's the IDM King? Manigi.
From Bill Rite Construction.
Oh, so you are the person responsible to Mr. Bill Wright and his asphalt team.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I was trying to speak to the super, the man who responds to the team, but he was so busy trying to get the traffic them organized, so we never get to talk to him. Really sorry about that, because he have to organize the traffic because them now obey the flag person. So he have to go ahead and sort out the traffic. That's how motorists stay when work are going. Them no want obey the flag person worse than looking says a lady. You know what I say? So anyway, sorry we never really get to get an interview from him, but the next time around I will. Okay? Bless up. Sidewalk is here, you know, viewers. Yes, man, Sidewalk is here. So in case you never know, yes, Sidewalk is here. So I don't do too much talking because I don't want to pressure my voice too much. Yes, so I hope you all just enjoy the video as you go along. You understand, viewers? Let's up on yourself. It's on hot. No, make me stand up. Nah, so we not hide. We don't know the thing, bro. Nah, there, man. Bless up yourself, my boss. Yeah, as you can see, the big person now take it. Bless up, my boss. Manners. I know that the press are run for the viewers. Check on the joining now. Really looking good. Now that the press has run for it. Because remember, the closer, you can't go close. The closer the asphalt is to the concrete or to the curve, and it's better off so that water cannot penetrate between them. So if they always have a feature them thing, the viewers, because that's where you have more lifespan in the work, you know. As soon as water have any loophole, that's where it will get damaged. But I've already do one set already now, viewers. I've already do one set already, so nobody here when them I do that next time, can reach late. You understand? So we just got stick with them with that side here to save them all, join it with the next side. And so far it's over for the video. Okay, viewers? So as I said, stick and stay. If you're new, subscribe. So let's take a walk now, viewers. Take a look walk on it. We don't know if we can walk on it because the motorists have more time be over way. So we don't know if we can walk on it.
Are you breaking flag?
There no be a flag people, you know.
There's now be.
No, sir.
Everybody just want
Yeah.
to fast. They want a road for you.
I want the road.
And they don't want to.
Yeah. Yes, viewers. As you can see, them they done one side already and they start to the next side. Look on it now, viewers. Speak your mind down in the comment section and remember, that's where we have our debate now. Looking wonderful, viewers. No. How easy to walk on it, now, viewers. We didn't care money, you know, because I tell you, but the truck man and the work man, he see work man, you know. Today, so just to want to see the fullness, viewers. Yeah. I like a race we are running it all with self. Pretty viewers. Nice, nice. Beautiful, you know. Some of the sidewalk start to crack already. What could have cost this, viewers? I just see some of the sidewalk start to crack. This poor material are underneath it. Some more. Underneath it, maybe the hollow. What do you think, viewers? So why the truck driving that car? Truck driving that because I guess it pick up somebody high, so it's not driving that. Why do I truck? I guess it pick up somebody down. Look funny wheel. Printing I must go out somebody high. So should in case you don't know where we are out at Yallahs Panside. Panside Yallahs St. Thomas. Okay, my viewers, that's where we are, and this contract done by Rite. So what Rite is doing, putting a second we call it wear. You understand? Yeah, as you can see, now go much wider than the curve one. This curve one over here, the one over here, giant, yeah. So they're now go wider than that. Right here, so maybe further down and get more with their music, but as I see them now going further than here, so for now. As they done the throne already, we're closer to it and more closer. You to visit St. Thomas, you don't know about the pan. This is the Yallahs pan. Kind of barely about one little khaki suit, you know. They're brownish. Yeah, I don't know why it looks like that. I have some people that mix up my channel with Big Super. I am Michael Super, I'm not Big Super. Big Super is totally different from me. So if you subscribe to Big Super, you won't get the content that me put out until you subscribe to me. Viewers, just like White with him, subscribe to him and to me, you won't get content that he'll put out until you subscribe to him. If that makes sense of it. Like son, hiking already now, viewers. Red that, you know. A little normal sound instead of being, you know. Maybe nobody don't want to go over, nobody don't want to reverse and all this. But as we used to this, you know, motorists are a create of Panama City. amount of smoke will come out fire because easy amount of stuff just heat and stuff. The thumbs up there, viewers. Like up the video, man. Like up the video, viewers, please. Make sure you like up the video. Manners and thanks are doing so. So my viewers, that's it for the day. That's it for the day for Bill Rite. As you can see the next side over there, so just wait stop. So them can this side now come stop same place. But them will continue tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna be here to come vlog this tomorrow, but maybe next time around I will vlog somewhere else if it's not here. So okay my viewers, so that's it for Bill Rite out of fan side here. So for today, my viewers and subscribers, them do the cool side of it, and it's looking great. Yes, my viewers, it's looking great. So what this does now, make the flow of traffic more smoother now, heading in, going into town if you're coming from Rite Bay, or if you're coming from town, going into Rite Bay, yeah, you're gonna get a smoother flow of traffic now. Because so them fix section and section of the road, the traffic that we can flow more smoother now, viewers. Yes, because as you know, the rear court or the second layer always wider. You understand? It's always wider than the first court, my viewers and subscribers. So when they put on the rear court, the road much wider now, much smoother, and give the motorist option to speed if they want to speed. I'm not saying nobody must speed, but give them that option because it's more smoother, more wider, and they're going to make it if they want to speed. As I said, I'm not saying no one must speed now. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, became more, you know, the traffic them, all it was steam, lots of steam. Understand? So yes, my viewers, I want you, but you know, it's just start at 6 morning, so when we reach home back, I will put some more, try some more and see if I can get you there as fast as I can. And that's what I'm so anyway, as we come to the end of another video, no viewers and subscribers, yes man, it's another video. It's another development in St. Thomas, my viewers and my subscribers. Like my video. Hope you all, if you're new, I would subscribe to my channel. Remember, down in the comment section, that's where you got to speak your mind. Everyone got a right to speak. Yeah, right workers, you see, find the station. Because we see the man that mixed up with Big Super. Because 3 Super, I'm checking on one channel. I many people may have that also. Remember the name Super, I'm all maybe don't feel, but if you subscribe to Super, you don't subscribe to Michael. Just remember that my brothers. And if you subscribe to Michael, you got to subscribe to Super in order to get Super content. Okay? That is it. We have come to the end of another video. Hope you people enjoy. Hope you like my video. And if you want to subscribe to my channel and do the do. Still a same device, but still have to talk for people to understand my viewers. Okay? Let's say this is just a walk of what they've done already, and that's it for the day. So, at the end of another video, you do subscribe. See you people in the next video, and we always say safe travel on the gravel. I'm out the development of St. Thomas Point. Yeah, try to see if we get to get up time busy there with the truck. Start get some going on, but in busy as I see me over there, so direct the traffic cars. If you know do that, hell I'm bored out.